AVX 01005 SMD MLCCs leverage industry-leading manufacturing technology and materials to provide highly reliable and compact capacitors with excellent performance. AVX 01005 SMD MLCCs have an ultra-miniature 0.4 by 0.2 mm footprint and have a monolithic structure with superfine uniform ceramics and integral internal electrodes for reliable operation. CM Series 01005 MLCCs are general-purpose capacitors for timing, low-level tuning, or filtering, while the CU Series offers high Q values for use in RF circuits. The capacitors are available with C0G, X5R, and X7R dielectrics, and support operating temperatures from -55 to +85 or 125 degrees Celsius. Capacitance values range from 0.2 picofarads to 0.47 microfarads, with a variety of tolerance options for all three dielectric systems, while voltage ratings are available from 6.3 to 25 volts DC.